Are you interested in the rapidly growing field of robotics? The UNM-Los Alamos Robotics program is designed to develop essential skills in mechanical design, control systems, CAD, and 3D printing, paving the way for employment in various robotics career fields and advanced degrees. UNM-LA offers a 30-credit certificate that prepares students to enter the high-tech workforce and a 60-credit Associates of Applied Science degree in robotics. Students earn 3 industrial robotics certifications through FANUC Robotics, the world's largest manufacturer of robotic equipment and software. An incredible journey in robotics begins at UNM Los Alamos. Start here, go anywhere.